Welcome to a new Java tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about dialog boxes. We're going to be looking at a few today. One is going to be an input dialog, which allows you to the user to type in a string, and a message dialog, which will display some text on the screen, and a option dialog, which will give you like options on the screen, like, oh, do you want to do this, yes or no, or additional buttons like that. So essentially, I wrote this program here, and this is what it does, and I'm going to then show you exactly how I did this. So I have this button up here that says add numbers, and so here we have an input thing that allows, that is accepting a string. Okay, I'm just going to do 10 and 2. This is actually supposed to just add two numbers together. And so essentially it's saying, oh, 10 plus 2 equals 12. So it does. Okay. And do you want to start again? Yes or no? If you click yes, it will restart the questions. And if you click no, then it doesn't do anything. Alright, so basically what we have up here is an input dialog, and it's attached to a string. So when it reaches this line, it's going to bring up an input dialog and ask for a first number. And then after you press enter or you click OK, it's going to go to the second line, which says second number. So you enter your second number. And so basically I have this message dialog that just states that, like first number plus second number equals the answer. And so that's exactly what we have here. So enter first number 10 and 2. And so this is that here. So it says show message dialog, first number, which I entered 10, second number, which is 2, and third, and the answer, which is 12. And I just added the plus and the equal sign between them. And as for this, this is just, these have a bunch of attributes. So basically, this is a component, an object, so you can just put in a string, integer, an integer, and an icon, an object as an array, and another object, but you can just leave them as null. So basically this is the parent component. As you can see, it's also similar over here. So this null is the parent component. This is the message. So if I am to bring this up again, so if I do 10 and 2, I'm going to just show it over here. So basically, do you want to start again? So this is basically the message, and this is the title of the dialog box, which is again, and the JOptionPane yes or no option, that is the option type, and this one over here, question message, is the message type, and this is a question message. This is an icon. And this is an options, and this is the initial value. But I just kind of leave those as null, although you're probably going to use this one, the icon one. But for now, I left that blank. And so basically this, accepts I attach this to an integer. So basically, if confirm does not equal 1, then it just, repeats the process again. Essentially, those are like the ones that I found the most useful. I mean, I've used these quite a bit in my programs, and these three I find I use the most. So I definitely hope that you find these as useful as I do, because these are really, I use these quite a bit. Otherwise you're going to have to create your own, which honestly isn't a bad choice, because I've created my own dialog boxes before, but you definitely don't need to. This is pretty much easier, especially if you're just starting out anyway. So I will put the source code in the description of the video. And if you learned something from this video, then please leave a like or possibly favorite the video. And subscribing always helps. It helps me motivate to, create more content. So thanks a lot, and I will see you next time.